Welcome back, financial investors. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be doing our Tuesday buys video. Now, Tuesday, welcome back. Happy Monday off, all of you that are normally working on Monday. Now, today is a brand new day. We're going to be taking a look at the M1 Finance Roth IRA. I have $9 sitting in cash. We also have $115 going into the account equity-wise. So we're going to be looking at the account, looking at the performance for last week, and then deciding what stock we are buying this week that may or may not be going ex-dividend here, either this week or here in the upcoming few days or weeks. So with that said, if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I cover the stock market, dividends, and real estate. If you enjoy any of those content or topics, hit the subscribe button below. If you do enjoy this video, find it helpful, hit the thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, drop them into the comment section below. Regardless if it's over stock market, dividends, or real estate, or just a question you would like to ask here on the channel, drop it in there. I do read and reply to all your comments, and let's go ahead and get into the video. We're going to go ahead and flip the screen around here, and we're going to start off by taking a look at the account. We can see here cash. We have $9 sitting in cash after last week's. Now, 1 week performance. Last week, the markets were on fire. I know the S&P, the Dow Jones, all the markets basically up some 2, almost 3% there for the S&P, Dow Jones, and the NASDAQ. Now this account, I've been trying to slow, actually this one I haven't been trying to slow, it's the other ones, but this one's up 1.92%. We can see a nice leap in equity gains going forward, $286.51 just in straight gains last week. That kind of made up for the month there. We can see month-wise, we are down 1.4%, and this is not including that 1, 2, 3, 4 early portion of the August. So we could have actually been higher and going lower now than we actually are. I would have to look. Now, gains-wise, for the month, we can see we are down $284.36, but a lot of this was actually made up just in this last week. If you had sold when you got scared of the market kind of tipping, into the negative a bit, you would have missed out on this last week's rally of over half of what we had lost in the month of August. So missing just a few days of a recovery period can be a big time loss. You never want to sell when the market is on its way down because you can't time that recovery. Instead, whenever the market is high, when investors are happy, when everything is green on a daily basis, plan your positions. If you want to sell out of positions that you are positive in, roll it into positions that are negative in, and do that. That's fine when it's positive, but you never want to sell when the market is going into negative or, getting hammered week after week, because if you sell after 2 or 3 weeks in the negative, that fourth week may be that positive week where it recovers half, if not all, of what it's actually lost over the last few weeks. So that's something to kind of consider. So here in the last week, we can see Eaton Vance is our best performer there with a whopping $74 in there. It is up 9.44% there in a single week. Lowe's did very nice at 5.45. Caterpillar, 3M, really nice to see these industrial companies really coming back strong last week, up 4% there in Caterpillar, up almost 3.6% there with 3M. Other position here, Las Vegas Sands, I like that to see 3.35. That is actually one I was looking to target. Avery Dennison and Las Vegas Sands were two positions that were negative coming up ex-dividend here in September, and I was looking to average in. I'll go ahead and cover that here in just a minute. Now, going down the list, we can see that only a few positions this week were negative. Southern Company, General Mills, Kellogg, Cisco, AbbVie, of course, getting slaughtered whenever they can, and Cardinal Health. Also, Altria. Altria got hit hard. I was actually surprised with the merger of Philip Morris and Altria. I would expect that to be pretty positive news, but instead, Altria is getting slaughtered, down 7.17% there in a single week. So that is the worst performer there. And that, if it wasn't for Altria, we'll say that the portfolio would be pretty nicely higher on the week. But overall, I am so happy with the performance. Now, taking a look here at just the last few days of the 1 week, going back from the 26th through the 30th here, starting right here, we made a single deposit of 115.38. We didn't have any dividends sitting in cash. Those had already been reinvested into Johnson & Johnson. We targeted Stanley Black & Decker because it gave us a 6% discount on a single day, which is very nice. And then we had one company pay out dividends, which was Simon Property Group, paying out a whopping $9, which is now sitting in the account. So here come Tuesday, I'm going to get $115.38, plus I have this $9 sitting in its account, which is going to be nicely reinvested into the market. Now, currently, you can either look through here and look at positions that are currently negative, but I, of course, like to jump over into my spreadsheet. I keep my spreadsheet up to date pretty often. You know, every time I make a buy, I adjust this, and I'm going to go ahead and I have X dividends coming up in here. So I have a few positions here on the 5th right there that is going X dividend. So here, these are actually positive right now. So Kimberly-Clark is coming up X dividend on the 5th of September. And that is actually on Thursday. So Kimberly-Clark, if I were to buy it here on Tuesday, it would go X dividend on Thursday, and I would receive that payout in the future. But Kimberly-Clark currently is at 20.28% equity positive, and it's at $500 right now as far as equity. Digital Realty Trust is also going X dividend here on the 12th. It's up 11.13%. Altria is down 30%. It is coming up on X dividend on the 13th, but this position is to a area that I actually feel comfortable with it. I may actually target about $20, just getting it over that $700 hump. So let's go ahead and say I want to go ahead and put $20 towards Altria. Also, we have Las Vegas Sands going X dividend here on the 17th. It is down 6.03%. So that is the 13th and 17th, and that is still quite a way away. The 13th is next Friday, and the 17th is the week after on a Tuesday. So these positions here, I will have this week, next week for Altria, and the week after for for Las Vegas Sands. So Las Vegas Sands is a position here that I want to build up very nicely. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is target $20 towards Altria in order to get it to that $700 point, and then my other equity will be going towards Las Vegas Sands. It only has $125 in it right now. It's down 6% since I started buying it, but we can see here over this last week, Las Vegas Sands has actually gone positive. So here towards the top, Las Vegas Sands, just this last week alone, is up 3.35%. I'm not saying it'll do it in the future, but right now it's offering me a 6% discount from where I started buying it, and I want to buy it some more in order to build up that position, and I'll be lowering my unit cost. You'll see my loss here actually decrease by quite a bit. Put it in a lump sum of what is actually already invested. You'll actually almost see this go in half, if not less than half. I'll actually end up down only 3% there by putting in a larger amount. But I do want to target Altria here, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is look for Altria. It won't be hard. I'll just go ahead and sort this by my losers and find it there. I'm going to go ahead and do a buy sell. I'm going to go ahead and target Altria. Needs about $20 to get it over that that's a little bit too much there. I need $20 to get it over that $700 equity, where I want to kind of get all my positions to before I start increasing them from there. Now, let's go ahead and bring up my calculator here. 115.38 plus $9 is 124.38 minus 20, so 104.38. 104.38 is what I will be pushing into Las Vegas Sands. Let's go ahead and click Las Vegas Sands here. I am not expecting any dividends here from, let's go ahead and bring up dividend.com here. Dividend.com. I am not expecting any dividends here on Monday or Tuesday to get paid out, but we can actually check that fairly quickly by going to our tools, dividend assistant. This will kind of load up here. And once this loads, it'll show us what stocks in our portfolio that I've entered on this website is actually going to be getting paid out dividends here in the future. I probably could have looked at my spreadsheet a little bit faster than how that is loading. So as far as dividend payouts, we'll go ahead and sort this like this. We have a dividend payout on the 6th, and that is Friday. So this one right here will be paying out on Friday, and that is Southern Company. Southern Company will be paying me out $3.87. So this should show me here the same thing. Pfizer will get him paid out, on the 3rd. So Pfizer should be paying me out here on Tuesday. That should be roughly $4.32. Let's go look for Pfizer in here. Pretty sure I own it in this account. Yep, right there. Pfizer. Pfizer should be paying me out $4.13. It says here it should be paying out on the 3rd, which is today. I'm actually recording this. It's 1:04 in the morning on a Tuesday, and I'm recording this video for Tuesday. So I should be receiving here on either today or tomorrow $4.13. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 104, add $4. I'm going to go ahead and, can't do that. Let's go back to our portfolio. I may have been kicked out. Wait too long, you get kicked out of M1 Finance. Let's look for Las Vegas Sands once again. I know tomorrow's going to be a negative day. I actually was looking at this earlier. If we look at our 24-hour stock futures, we are down 1%, which is the perfect time to be buying right now. So I'm looking for Las Vegas Sands. Selecting it, buy, sell. I'm going to go ahead and put 110 in here and hit continue and confirm. So there we go. We have specifically targeted Las Vegas Sands to get the majority of our equity. This will increase that position up quite a bit because it is right down here. It's my 3rd smallest equity-wise in this account, and my minor portion is towards Altria, which Altria is not at a full position. Full positions are a little over $700 of equity. We can see here this one is 510. I've actually put in over 700 of equity, but I've lost quite a bit here. And I'll just be lowering my unit cost here, increasing my dividend income, which will be going exiting here very shortly. Plus, Altria just increased their dividend, which was very nice. So Altria will be paying me out here. Let's see here. Not $9.33. They increased it to $3.36. So Altria will be paying me out here $9.80, but I'm actually going to be buying some more shares. So that'll go up over $10 here probably in the future. So that is basically all I wanted to cover in today's video. That is our weekly recap, going over last week's changes, the dividends that were paid out, the performance of our account, and also I'm going to be buying Altria and the SKT. That is not it. It was, boy, I can't think of the name now. Las Vegas Sands. This one's kind of been hammered between the U.S. and China, the trade war kind of going on, but that is fine. This news and political stuff that's kind of going on, this gives you opportunities to buy really good companies at a discounted price. And when this is all resolved, either in the next few months or maybe in the next year, these companies will rebound. Plus, I'm locking in a very nice dividend yield, and these companies are paying out dividends going forward. So that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up. If you guys enjoy content going over the stock market, dividends, or real estate, definitely hit that subscribe button below. I would really appreciate to have you here on the channel. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, whether you're a viewer, subscriber, drop them into the comment section. It can be anything related to the stock market, dividends, or real estate. And that is it. Thank you all for tuning into this video. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.